Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dalton, and this is Bertrand Acres. And today, I've had enough. We're putting the canopy on the tractor. I was mulching earlier today, and it was miserable. Just sitting there, baking in the sun. I was, born and raised here in Florida, but it's not fun. I don't want to just sit there baking in the sun all day. So we're gonna throw the rhino hide canopy on. This is a very budget-friendly, versatile canopy. I have it on the 0 turn, and I absolutely love it. If you guys haven't watched that video, go check that out. I will link it in the description. There it is. It's like really, really durable. Like I've bounced it off of trees and all kinds of stuff. Just springs right back to shape. Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. It shouldn't take that long. We're gonna have it kind of sit a little bit lower than the top of the ROPS because I want it to be kind of close to me. It's not a huge canopy, which is why it's very budget friendly, but it's still very durable. And I really like it. I think it's perfect. And if you don't want it on there, it just kind of slides right out. And if you have similar ROPS set up on your 0 turn and your tractor, you can actually swap them. If you only want to buy one of the canopies, you can actually get the kit for both and just swap the canopy from the 0 turn and the tractor. So really cool. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's knock this out. It shouldn't take long at all. It is 150 out, so perfect for this. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up on a time lapse, and I'll check in with you throughout. It's gonna be pretty easy. I mean, the 0 turn is pretty much the exact same. We're doing the exact same with this, and the only difference is this one sits on top of the ROPS. The tractor one is wide enough where I can put it underneath the top of the ROPS, so that's the only difference, really. All right, so here's the canopy itself. Very simple, not much to it, very easy install. So let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. Well, I'll tell you right now, using this mulcher is a blast, but having some sort of shade would be really nice. This thing, I catch myself on this thing for hours, just kind of making new trails, and it's just an awesome piece of equipment for the tractor. I actually really love it, so I want to have something that makes me a little bit more comfortable while I'm out there. I think this is going to be great. So I got pretty much everything unboxed here, guys. Well, I got just the other arm right here. And I think the hardware is next. So there's that. They have some little add-ons for this, like a little rail you can put across to put like a GoPro or mount a light on or whatever. So they're pretty customizable, and they're very obviously universal. They fit on pretty much any tractor brand and every 0 turn out there. I mean, you can see this is not just a TYM canopy. Like, it's not made just for TYM. It can go on all these brands they have listed here. You can see, oh, that's the other side. But this side, look at it. Pretty much all these brands. So yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get started. Next day after I filmed this video, and I had this thing sitting out in the open, and I just got on it. I'm about to go park it for the night, and it is probably 80 degrees cooler under this thing because the seat is all covered, the steering wheel is covered. It is so nice. This is great. I should have done this a long time ago. All right, so I didn't have the ROPS all the way forward, so now I got them. I just lowered them down because I had to get the mulcher put on, so I lowered them way back. I forgot to put them up in the right position, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these brackets in real quick, and then we're gonna get these pieces put on, and these will slide over that, and all of that will be used as well. These are just obviously just to lock it down onto these. So I'll show you guys all that. All right, put these bolts in. Yeah, this is so simple. That. Okay, so I have the brackets pretty much touching the pivot point on the ROPS there, so it can pretty much, I don't have to level it. The grab rails right here. These are just little locking screws, little set screws. I'm just gonna run them in a little bit. I'm gonna slide these over before I put the roof on. All right guys, here it is. That was very easy. It took me like 20, 25 minutes, something like that. Probably would have been faster if I didn't film, but we got it done. This is gonna be so nice. It is 95 degrees and it's somewhat cloudy. There's like a rain cloud right there and it's so hot right now. But we got it done. This is called the Rhino Hide Canopy and it's from tractorcanopy.com. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. It is fully universal, so you don't have to have a TYM. You can have any of these, whether it's a zero turn or a tractor, it will fit. And they make a kit where you can actually do like a quick disconnect of this and throw it on your zero turn. I chose to do two separate ones because I'm just gonna leave them on. But if you do wanna take them off, you have those two set screws, back them off, they pull right out and you're good to go. So if you wanna trailer it, you can pull it off completely or you can just tie it down, either one. It's pretty strong and you know, it's, one thing that's probably gonna get damaged is the metal, that plastic. It's very strong, it just kind of springs right back. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. Very easy install, guys. If you are interested in it, like I said, I'll put a link in the description to it. I absolutely love it. Got the little grab handles on there. You know, I don't really get up on this side, but nice having the grab handles here. Yeah, pretty sweet. I'm gonna go sit up in here real quick. the sun's at a pretty bad angle right now, but the only sun is like a little bit on my knees there. Pretty happy with that. I mean, if this wasn't here, I'd be getting destroyed right now. So I am super happy to have this. Awesome. But anyways, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. But yeah, oh yeah, before we get any further, I'm gonna kind of, before I end this video, I wanna kind of show you how easy it really was. I did film from over there. Now before we end this video, I'll kind of go do a quick overview on how the install was. It's very simple, as you guys seen, but it came with these two U-bolts. Obviously, you just bolt this bracket here. And it's, like I said, it's universal, so you can kind of bolt it however you want, however it fits for your tractor, because some ROPs are, skinnier than others. So these could, this could actually go on that side if you needed a little bit more width. I don't know. Oh, before we get any, all right, so one more thing before we end this video, I told you I would kind of go over everything. Very simple, guys. U-bolts right here. Here's the bracket. This piece bolts to this bracket. It's as simple as that. There's literally like 8 bolts with the bracketing, and there's 4 more up there to, bolt the roof to the frame itself. So very simple, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Go check it out. I'm not getting paid for this, but I am pretty happy with the product because I didn't want to spend $1,000 on a tractor canopy. Although it probably still would be worth it. I don't need one of those crazy big fiberglass ones or big metal ones. This one's gonna do just fine. The one on the zero turn has done just fine. So I'm happy. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.